Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download Disney Plus on your Apple TV. It's actually quite simple, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on your Apple TV home screen. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the App Store. Go ahead and click into it. Once you're inside the App Store, you'll usually land on the Discover page. You might already see the Disney Plus app right there. If you do, great. But if you don't see it, no worries. Scroll all the way back up to the top, and then scroll horizontally across the top bar until you get to the search page. Now, you're going to search for Disney Plus. You can either type it in, or use voice search by holding down the voice button on your Apple TV remote and saying, Disney Plus. See? Easy. Once the search results appear, you should see Disney Plus as the first result. Click on it. This will take you to the Disney Plus app page. You can scroll down to read more about the app if you like. Now to download it, scroll back up to the top of the page. You should see a button that says Get. Click that button to start the download. Now because I've already downloaded it, mine shows a cloud icon. But yours should say Get. I'm going to click my cloud icon. After a few seconds, the application will be downloaded. The button will then change to an Open button. You can click that to open the app directly from here. Alternatively, you can go back to the home screen on your Apple TV. Scroll down to your list of apps, and you should see the Disney Plus app there. Open it from there. Once you've opened the app, just log into your Disney Plus account, and you can start enjoying all your favorite Disney Plus movies and TV shows. So there you have it. Downloading Disney Plus on your Apple TV is super easy. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tutorials.